to, again same formula, y2 only last f4 will change, remaining things are same only. f2 plus 4 f3 plus f4, only this is modified, remaining all things are same. 0.0795 plus h by 3, 0.3937 plus 4 times 0.5689 plus 0.7072. You compare these two. Previously it was 0.7070, now it is 0.7072. So probably we'll get correct answer. Else we have to do one more modification. Yes, check and tell me what the answer is. Anyone? What the answer is?
0.3046.
Yes, 0.3046. Thus, this is for our information I am writing. Values of y4 are. At first we obtain y4p, that was 0.3048. Then we obtained y4c, that was 0.3046. Again it is modified, right now in previous step it is modified. So 0.3046. Thus, therefore, okay, solution is, so what is solution? This is the solution. x4 equal to, so when x is 0.8, corresponding value of y4 is 0.3046. These two values are same now, so we have to accept them. 0.3046. Okay, this is all about the predictor method. Now we'll go through the corrector. Sorry, we'll go through the next method. Right, next. Okay, let me change the page. Right. Adams Moulton. Adams Moulton or Adams Bashforth. Predictor, corrector method. Predictor, corrector method. Okay, so right, to solve so first few solutions are given to us. Okay, and what is the aim? This is our aim. Now, predictor formula is only change in formula. Remaining things are same only. Okay, procedure is same only. y4p yn. Somewhat difficult to remember this formula, huh? So you find some way to remember it. H by 24, 55 Fn minus 59 F n minus 1 plus 37 F n minus 2 minus 9 F n minus 3. Okay. Now you may wonder from where we are getting these formulas. Okay, so proofs are there and few research papers are also there on these formulas. So you can Google it, research paper on predictor corrector formula. Okay, and the few people's mathematicians say they have developed few more predictor corrector formulas, which are simplify few of the differential equations or some kind of differential equations. Okay, so you can go through the Google reference book, research paper, and understand how the new methods are obtained. And those who are interested in mathematics, they can sorry, huh? This should be yn plus 1. They can understand how research papers are uh, done in the mathematics. Corrector formula yn h by 24 9 f4 so fn plus 1 plus 19 fn minus 5 fn minus 1.
When are you free?
After 2 hours. I'm not free today.
You said you give me the print and all that. Okay, I'll ask Ashwini where.
Might be there, might be scanning something. Plus fn minus 2. Okay. Now when n equal to 3. Write it correctly, huh? And see whether if I'm making mistake anywhere, let me know. This is F4. Hope it is correct. Don't make any mistake, write it correctly. Yes, we'll go through example. Then the question, use Adams-Bashforth, change the page, 77, 78 now. use Adams Bashforth method to find y of 0.4 given dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy, y of 0 equal to 2, y of 0.1 equal to 2.1103, y of 0.2 2.243, y of 0.3 right. Solution. What is f of xy? 1 plus xy. Now start writing x naught, y naught, and so on. Okay, so x naught. So from this value we want to write x naught and y naught. Huh? This will give us x naught and y naught. Y equal to something. This is value of y naught. Okay, and 0 is the value of x naught. Now we want to find f naught. F of x naught, y naught. 1 plus x naught, y naught. That is 1. You can cross check it. X naught is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Okay, then that x1. That we have to decide from here. Y1. F1. Yes, see what is their multiplication. I think it is 1.21103. Check that. X2, Y2 is 2.2430. Check this, huh? I'm doing it manually. So if I'm making mistake anywhere, let me know. Is it okay? I'm audible. Everyone is here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0.2033 3 है ना?
Point you multiplied. Instead of 6, it should be 3. Sorry. 1.72033. Yes, madam.
You give them a break, no? 5-minute break. Then you sign my file.
You come with the file.
Where's my file? I kept it here.
It is there. You just open it.
Yeah.
It is there.
That's why.
This one or below that?
Yeah, this one.
This one only?
No, this is.
It will be somewhere there only. You have to check all the files.
Okay.
If you are not getting, then you have to prepare it once again.
No.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. तर HOD प्रिन्सिपल सरांना ऍड्रेस करणार की मी HOD ना करणार मग HOD त्यांच्याकडे घेऊन जाणार.
प्रिंसिपल सर ने घेऊन सेक्शन.
सर ही तो बोले ना मेरे पास लेके आओ फिर मैं वहाँ साइन करता हूँ वहाँ लिखते हुए अप्रिशिएटेड दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी इज वेरी गुड.
नाही HOD तुम्ही रिकमेंड करा ना HOD ना. मग एक लेटर तयार होईल ते प्रिन्सिपल सरांच्याकडे घेऊन जायचं त्याच्या खाली प्रिन्सिपल सर रिकमेंडेशन देतील. प्रिन्सिपल सरांचं त्यात नाव यायची काही गरज नाही.
प्रिन्सिपल सरांचं नाव नाही घेणार.
हां.
मी HOD ना ऍड्रेस करायचं की HOD नी प्रिन्सिपल सरांना ऍड्रेस करायचं. टू द प्रिन्सिपल सर करतील की मी टू द HOD फर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट असेल.
कळलं मला तुमचं आता.
आणि मग सर तिथे रिकमेंड म्हणजे जे लिहायचं ते
HOD प्रिन्सिपल सरांना केलेलं बेटर मला वाटतं. है की
ये इसका है 1920 I sent it to you. So when you get time, you said you will give me a print. No, I changed it then.
हाँ.
1920.
Till how much time you are here in the
And
college?
there I'll come in. When you will give break to the
At
students.
least no any break is there.
Hmm.
I will take lecture for around 1 hour.
No, 1 more hour. You
And
won't give
then-
a break.
No any break.
Okay.
Else they will not come back.
Okay. Okay, I'll complete this and bring it. There's someone waiting.
Hello. पाच 10 मिनिट थांबवा लेक्चर सुरू आहे. Yes. What the Y4C is Y4 predictor formula. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Predictor formula Y4P. Write the formula that we have written on the previous page. Where it is. Yes. Y4P is right. Y3 plus H by 24 55U F3 minus 59 F2 plus 37 F1 minus 9 F0. Okay, so Y3 is known to us. Where is the Y3? 2.4011. H is 0.1. Difference between X sign, I think you might be getting it. 55 F3. F3 is 1.72033 minus 59 F2. Where is F2? 1.4486. 0 if you want to write or leave it. 37 F1. F1 is 1.21103 minus 9 F0. F0 is 1.21103. Yes. See what the answer is? F4P. This is F4. Yes. What answer you are getting? Correct up to 4 decimal places. Fix up to 4 decimal places and see what answer you are getting. Yes, anyone?
So f of 0 is equal to 1.
2.5805. No.
So f of 0 is 1.
3.50.
F
Oh,
of
sorry, 3.52.
0 is 1. F of 0 is 1. Acha. Yes. Correct. Absolutely.
माझं काय तर माझं 2.5805 बरोबर आहे का नाही आहे?
नाही आहे बरोबर.
Sir, 3.5250.
3.
हाँ.
No. I think it's 3.
माझं चुकलंय.
Who else is getting the answer?
Sir, 2.5884.
Absolutely. Absolutely, no doubt. Please write this answer and you cross check it afterwards. 2.5884. Cross check it afterwards, huh? Please. Okay. Next, correct the formula. Now we'll try to correct it. Y3 plus H by 24. Acha, one more thing is remaining. Okay, let me write the formula. 9 F4 plus 19 F3 minus 5 F2 plus F1. Right here, x4 equal to x3 plus h .4. Y4 P is known to us. Okay, and then F4. So 1 plus xy.
Two point zero three.
2.03.
2.03556.
6 को तो नहीं है, ये 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस नहीं कर, फिक्स कर. (19F3) (5F2) plus F1. Yes, who is getting this answer? Yes, for the answer is yes. What is the answer?
588.
2.5884.
4.
Both are same. If it is correct up to 3 decimal places, you write the 3 decimal places only in answer. Huh? So you write 2.558. That is okay. Write the answer. Go through one more example.
Sir, significant digit पकडायचं असतं का?
Same digit पकडायचे. Actually, example मध्ये if it is given in example that we have to find answer correct up to 4 decimal places, 5 decimal places, we have to do that. Yes, at least up to 3-4 decimal places we want answer. And if answer is different at say 5th decimal places, then you have to consider answer up to 4 decimal places and so on.
Sir, जर 2.5848 आहे तर तो 4 च्या पुढे 8 आहे तर त्याच्यामुळे ते 2.5885 होणार ना.
हा मग ठीक आहे ना, 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस पर्यंत घे ना मग काय केस.
ग्रेटर दॅन 5 असेल तर मग प्रिव्हियस डिजिट जो असतो
नाही
तो
जेवढे सेम आहेत सोपं आहे, जेवढे सेम आहेत तेवढे घ्यायचं. ठीक आहे. राईट. नेक्स्ट यूज Adams Bashforth method to find y of 0.8 given four two two eight 6841 0.6841. Hope it is visible. Please solve it. 5 minutes are there to solve the example. I am expecting answer from everyone. Give me break for 2-3 minutes. You try to solve it yourself. I'll be back, huh?
सर हॅलो सौरभ सौरभ
हा बोल.
अरे H पॉइंट पण घ्यायचा ना.
काय झालं?
H.1 घ्यायचा ना H.
सॉरी ब्रो मी ओके बघ दुसऱ्याला विचार.
अरे मग H शिवाय सॉल्व होत नाहीये ना.
नाही होत ना.
एम3 कॉम्प्युटरची पूर्ण फाईल स्कॅन केली, फोल्डर बनवलाय, तुम्हाला मेल करतो आणि कोड सरांना मेल करतो. ते म्हणले पाटील सरांना सेंड करा, त्याच्यातून त्यांना काय पाहिजे असतं ते. मी तर म्हणलं मी माझ्या बेसिस करतोय स्कॅन, कारण ते डायरेक्ट म्हणून त्यांना सेंड करतोय. तर मग ते म्हणे पाटील सरांना पाहिजे असतं त्याच्यात काही गोष्टी, मग त्यांना एक मेल
त्यांच्याकडून घेणार मी तुमच्याकडून कशा मला कामाला म्हणजे असे स्टाफ 60 आहेत, 60 जणांच्या जाऊन मला एक एक घ्यायला पाहिजे. हा त्यांना करा. ते मला सांगितलं तर त्यांना सांगायचं, ते नको म्हटले मला. मला काय करून उपयोग आहे. ओके आय एम ऑडिबल. हे आवाज येतो की नाही माझा?
सर माईक चालू.
अच्छा माईक बंद आहे काय? 1 मिनिट माईक सुरू आहे. काय झालं माईकला? आय एम ऑडिबल.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You are audible, sir.
So, yes, great. So, hope you might have solved it. So, let me write few things. Given dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square. So, that will fix the f of xy. And it is 1 plus y square. So, we have x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0. So, f not equal to 1 plus, let me write it directly, 1. Then x1 equal to 0.2, y1 equal to 0.2027. And therefore f1 equal to 1 plus y1 square. So you tell me what these answers are. Let me first complete everything. y2 equal to 0.4228. That will give us f2. 1 plus y2 square, then x3 equal to 0.6, y3 equal to 0.6841. That will give f3. 1 plus y3, yes, y3 square. So can anyone tell me what these values are? Correct up to 4 decimal places. F1, anyone?
सर
1 point.
सर मला H कसं करायचं, H कसं काढायचं ते समजलं नाही.
H रे, ह्यांचा डिफरन्स रे, x मधला डिफरन्स. इकडे बघ, डिफरन्स बिटवीन दीज टू किती? 0.2. डिफरन्स बिटवीन दीज टू 0.2. डिफरन्स बिटवीन दीज टू 0.2. So H is 0.2. Okay, simple. So you cross check your answers. See whether you are getting answer like this. 4861. Okay, therefore predictor formula y4p y3 plus h divided by 24 55 f3 minus 59 f2 plus 37 f1. So alternate plus minus sign is there. So you might have substituted the values. Tell me what the answer is. Yes, who got this answer? Yes. अरे किसका आंसर आ गया ये?
1.023. 023.
02 एक मिनट थामना 02 next two digits
36.
33 absolutely. हाँ श्रेयस बोल बोला. काय F3 हाँ what is F3?
सर F3 आहे ते 1.4679 4861.
एक मिनिट चेक करतो. कशाला कसं काय ते चेक कर ना एकदा स्क्वेअर कर फक्त त्याचा. काहीतरी चुकतंय तिथे बघतो. चल next on the next page right. Now we have to use the corrector formula and we'll do it in this way. Okay, so right, x4 we will find. Point 6 plus h is 0.2 0.8 should be p. Yes, and this value
Sir, 2.0471.
2.0471. Okay.
Sir, y4c is equal to 1.0296.
y4 equal to
y4c corrector y.
अच्छा एक मिनट राइट 1 minute.
सर करेक्टर्स y आणि प्रेडिक्टर्स y मध्ये फरक येतोय.
येऊन दे की काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. 1 पॉइंट असं 1 पॉइंट किती असं
0.684 plus 0.24.
06 नाही आहे रे, 02 आलं पाहिजे. चेक करेल.
0297. 0297.
हाँ ते 1.0296.
ओके ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. We can as an engineer we can write answer at this moment. We can stop here and we can write answer in this way. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Solution of differential equation is that's it. Okay, this is all about the numerical methods. So today we have a test at 5 p.m. on the unit 1. MCQ test will be there. Then on Sunday is okay, or Monday you want? Monday we have test on numerical methods. Monday at 5 p.m. we have test on numerical methods. The assignments, tutorial assignments will be uploaded by today. I'll try it. Both the assignments will be uploaded by today. Project, maths project, you might have decided till. If not decided, please decide them at earliest by today. Okay. First review of the maths project will be on the Saturday. Okay, so be prepared. First, what is expected in first review? You should have taken a meeting and you should have decided the objective and all those things. Objective, literature review and all those things you might have done. Okay, all these things I am giving priority in this week, and we have to complete everything, test, tutorials, everything by Monday. And tomorrow we are starting with the unit number 3, statistics and probability. Okay, any doubt, any query, any suggestion?
सगळे prerequisites
Prerequisite काय
लागतील का तुमच्या चॅप्टरसाठी? probability
स्टॅट अँड प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय नाही लागत. प्रीरिक्विजिट काय प्रीरिक्विजिट लागतात ते युजली मी घेतोच, त्यामुळे काय लागत नाही. हा, इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी यू कॅन स्टडी द, आय थिंक इन 12th syllabus देयर वाज बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ना?
नाही सर, आम्हाला प्रोब वगैरे सगळं होतं.
अच्छा, ओके. सो यू जस्ट स्टडी देम. That will help you not only for the M3. That will help you if you want to prepare for some
कंडिशनल प्रोबॅबिलिटी वगैरे सगळं आहे का? मतलब
एक just 1 minute. इथंच भेटला तुम्ही म्हणणार आम्हाला. ओके, हा बोला ना सौरभ, बोल.
काय नाही सर, तेच विचार.
हाँ, so if you want to study for any technical exam, you might be interested in GATE exam, maybe IAS exam. So I think someone was asking me about all these exams. So I told him that there are n number of options as a civil engineer. There is a NICMAR Institute, might be known to you in Pune only. It is in Balewadi. So you just search, and many management courses are management in civil engineering, in construction management. So those courses are conducted by NICMAR, and few of students from our college also they used to go to NICMAR. कुछ काफी सारे बच्चे हमारे यहाँ से NICMAR में जाते हैं for the PG courses. Okay, so if you are interested